Welcome this video woodwork project. I guess for beginning and expel. Woodwork is a reward craft that blend, create and skill. Whether you are a beginning or an expert, woodwork, there are controllers project that can be undertake to help your skill and create something functional and beauty. This gas well explored various woodwork project sought for define skill level, tool and type for successful craftsmanship. Beginning woodwork project. If you need to woodwork, start with simple project that help you finish yourself with base tool and technology. Here are a few beginning family project friendly project. Bookshelf. A simple bookshelf with you cut and minimize journey is an idea beyond project. Choose by define wood type like pin. Use need from access and application finish to project that would and enhance its appearance.